Find derivative. X is 2 sine and y is cosine. Find a derivative. Solution. Formula is the most important. You first start by differentiating the second equation. I'm trying to like point this out. Very important part. Second equation. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. Derivative of 2 sine is 2 cosine t. That is the answer. But for some reason, they did not give you this answer just to like fool you around or feel uncomfortable or stressed or frustrated. That's the word. So what is the answer then? Minus 1/2 sine over cosine is tangent. That's it. So you see that's like the best problems to have on the test. Derivatives are just very pleasant, nice questions. So whoever chose the derivative did good. If they ask you to plug a number, so if they ask you step A, step B, at, so find the slope, at t, oh, interesting, tent, it looks like tent, so tangent t. And it's not wrong not to put parentheses, but it looks funny. If they ask you to find at t equals pi over 4, then what's the answer? dy over dx bar. T is pi over 4 equals what? Minus 1/2 times tangent of pi over 4, which is 1. Because sine of and cosine matches at pi over 4. So the answer is minus 1/2. That means the function is decreasing at pi over 4. Nice? And then you can actually find the equation of a tangent line if you want to. I just made it up.